In today's video, I'm going to show you how to host a static website for free on Cloudflare pages. Whether it's a personal portfolio, blog, or small project, Cloudflare gives you free hosting, SSL, and a fast global CDN. First, sign up for a free Cloudflare account. Once logged in, go to Workers and Pages and click on Pages. Then click Create Application. You can either connect a GitHub repository like GitHub or upload a zip file of your website containing HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you use GitHub, authorize Cloudflare to access your repositories, select your website repository, choose the branch you want to deploy, and click Save and Deploy. Cloudflare will automatically build and host your website. If you prefer uploading a zip, select Upload Assets, choose your file, name your project, and deploy. Once deployed, your site is live on a free .pages.dev URL. You can also add a custom domain by going to Custom Domains in your project settings and updating your domain's name servers to Cloudflare. SSL is automatically enabled, keeping your website secure. Hosting on Cloudflare pages is fast, secure, and completely free, with automatic updates whenever you push changes to GitHub. It's perfect for portfolios, blogs, or small static websites. That's it. Start hosting your website today for free, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more tutorials.